Okay, so when we look at this again, the discriminant is b squared, and that's just our tool to solve these kinds of problems, to figure out how many solutions. The whole idea is solutions, to figure out how many answers, how many solutions. For this, when you do this one and you get one solution, that means that you've done b squared minus 4ac. And when you get all of that and it equals 0, b squared minus 4ac equals 0, then there is one solution, okay? And that means one solution means it'll touch, maybe if it's right here, it touches the x-axis at one spot, all right? And we did an example for that in our notes. Actually, it was, this was the example. And if I was to actually do this, b squared, 2 squared, minus 4ac. All right, so 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4. This would be minus 4. This would equal 0. All right, when I actually did b squared minus 4ac. Two solutions is the most common one. And whenever we do b squared minus 4ac, it equals a positive number. All right, any positive number that it equals. So I'm just going to make up one. I'm not going to even use the one from our example. Y equals 3x squared plus 2x, b squared minus 4a, and I'll put negative. Whenever that c is negative, 4, and this is positive, you can actually figure it out too, like this. So it's going to be b squared, which would be 2 squared minus 4ac. So this is going to be 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times 9 is negative 1. It's positive 12, okay? So it's actually going to equal 16. Okay? Anytime it's a positive number. And then no solution, that would just be a quick b squared minus 4ac equals a negative number, okay? So a negative number. And that's going to happen when, for example, let's just do this one here. This is from our notes, this one. And if we plug this in, b squared minus 4 times a times c. 4, that's going to be negative 8 times 1. 4 minus 8 equals negative 4, okay? When it's a negative number, it's no solution. And what does no solution look like? It's probably up here somewhere. All right, what does two solutions look like? And if it hits a little... And the solutions means how many times it touches the x-axis. This one touches it once, one solution. Twice, two solutions. It never touches the x-axis. That's why it's no solution. All right, you guys, hopefully this was a little helpful. You can push play, pause, obviously, and rewatch it too.